Let's do this man here. This man is the same concept of chain rule. It's the same let u be this, du dx. Let y be this, dy du. But there's a square root here. But there's a square root here. So how do you deal with this? To deal with this, your first task would be this. Now, we know very well from indices that root a is equal to 8 power what there? 1 over 2. Good. That means this man is same as saying y is equal to what there? 7x plus 3 to power what there? 1 over 2. This is a rational power. And for rational power, we use what there? Chain rule. First things first, would say let u be equal to what there? Term in the bracket. Same thing we've been doing. 7x plus 3. What is du dx? Du dx is equal to what there? 7. Also, we have that y is equal to what there? This is u. U to what's the power now? The same thing, no. Just that now is now half. No big deal. The same thing. All right. Just that now is half. What's my next tax there? Dy du. In this case, what is dy du? Hold on. It's looking du. Hold on. Du. Dy du. Okay. Multiply by the power. What's the power there? 1 over 2 times u. Subtract 1. 1 over 2 minus 1. It's the same thing. Multiply by the power, subtract 1. Work on this. This is equal to what there? 1 over 2 times u. 1 over 2 minus 1. What do you get there? Please, 1 over 2 minus 1 is minus 1 over 2. Abi, should we start doing fractions? Please, this will give you minus 1 over 2. You have this. Chief. So you have this. The talks now be, let's simplify this. Please, if you're not sure of this thing, carry your Casio, not the wire Casio, the real Casio. Punch 1 over 2 minus 1. You have minus 0.5 or minus 1 over 2. Please watch this, please. This now becomes, please watch this. 1 over 2 times. If you have a negative there, what does it mean? How do I remove this negative from indices? Take inverse. Take inverse. To take off this man here, I'll now put 1 all over u to power there? 1 over 2. Please, this is indices. In indices, for you to take off the negative, just take inverse. So you have this. All right. That means that dy du is equal to, okay, let me put this here. This is equal to 1 times 1, 1 all over 2 times, this gives you what there? 2 u to power what there? So you have this. Dy du equal to 1 all over 2. When you have something to power 1 over 2, that means what there? Square root 2 root u. That's all. So you see how it looks like. It's the same thing. Just simplify further. Right? This subtract 1, you have negative. To remove the negative, take what there? Inverse. 1 all over, negative is off. 1 times 1 is 1 all over. 2 times 2 root 2 to power 1 over 2 gives you 2u to power 1 over 2. 2 times u to power 1 over 2 gives you 2u to power 1 over 2. And I said, whenever you have something to power 1 over 2, it's written as what? The square root of that thing. That's it. So you now say, using chain rule, using chain rule, what do you have there? Dy dx is equal to what there? Times. What's dy du, please? 1 all over 2 root u. What's the u dx? That man, the 7. So multiply them. Sorry. Dy dx is equal to 1 times 7 7 all over what there? 2 root u. What's the final step? What u? Now put u back here. You have that the y, the x is equal to what there? 7 all over 2 root u. What's u there? Plus, that's your answer. Right, it's the same concept, just that those minus and thing, you know how to work on them. That's it. All right, so look up, look up, look up, look up, look up. Let's do something extra on chain rule. Let's do something extra on chain rule. Let's do this one here. Sample problem, find the y dx given that this. All right, find the y dx given that y equal to this. How do we solve this? So look up, please. Look up, please. The problem will now be, is this a chain rule question? The answer will now be, well, depends. If you can express this as a par, whether negative par, oh, sorry, after this we'll do one on negative par before we go on break, okay? Let's make sure how negative par works. After this, we'll do something on negative par, then we'll go on break. Okay, so given this one here, how do we solve this? First things first, do we know that there is a difference between this? What is so? And this. Call this A and B. A and B are not the same. Are we aware? A simply means 3 root 8, which means 3 times square root of 8. That's A. B means what there? The cube root of 8. Now, this B can be written as what there? A to the power what there? 1 over 3. Please take notes, please. When you have root 8, this is equal to A to the power 1 over 2. When you have it this way, this becomes A to the power what there? 1 over 3. When you have it this way, this becomes what there? A to the power what there? All right, please get this right, please. This is from indices. Let me refresh your memory first before we start. In essence, what I have here is the cube root of this. So this now becomes y equal to x cubed plus 5 to the power what there? 2 cube root. Cube root is what there? 1 over what there? 3. Please look at this very well. Please look at this very well. This same thing here, which is this, but I'm taking the cube root, that's all. Right? That thing to power 1 over 3, which is this one here, to power 1 over 3. At this juncture here, of course, in indices, there's something called the product power law. Where you have a to power m times n. This is different from a to power m times a to power n. Are we aware? This one, same base multiplying a, we say add their powers. M plus n, not mtno, m plus n. In this case, when they are multiplied, it becomes what there? A to power m times n, mn. Please look at the difference. Look at the difference, please. They only add if I have the same base multiplying with the power. That's it. In this case here, obviously, this one follows this pattern here. What does it mean? It means that from here, if I expand again, y will be equal to 2 times 1 over 3. What do you get there? X cubed plus 5 to what's there? 2. That's it. So your task is to move from here to here. That's your task. Okay, at this juncture, we can now bring it the let u be this, the u the x, y the u, whatever. Let's take this place from here. Of course, first step, we say let u be equal to what there? Term in the bracket. X cubed plus what? 5. Differentiate u with respect to x. You get what there? Du dx. How many? 3x squared. You've gotten this. Okay. Next up, y. Also, y will be equal to what there? U, Abby. This is u. Y will be u to power what's there? To power 2 over 3. So my task here is to find dy du. We'll have that dy over du is equal to, how do you get that? Multiply by the power, subtract 1. What's the power here? 2 over 3 times what you have here, u to power what there? 2 over 3 minus 1. So you have this. This is equal to 2 over 3 times u. What do you have here? Minus 1 over 3, please. Minus 1 over 3. It's just 2 over 3 minus 1. Collect your LCM. Okay. From here, dy du is equal to, what do you have here?
To get the complete video, simply join the first year students channel membership or get the Calculus Made Easy course from my website. Simply visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses to get started. Both links in video description. To get the complete video, simply join the first year students channel membership or get the Calculus Made Easy course from my website. Simply visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses to get started. Both links in video description. To get the complete video, simply join the first year students channel membership or get the Calculus Made Easy course from my website. Simply visit www.jonahemmanuel.com/courses to get started. Both links in video description.